Hey friends, if you wish to find the product key of your Windows computer, then I will guide you through the easiest possible method and follow this one. Don't follow the other methods, the command prompt one, the PowerShell one. It's not needed. Simply open the Microsoft Store and you can open it either from the icon here or search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store and then search for product key. Click on Show Key Plus. Click on Get and wait for the application to load on your system. It will need a while, though it's not a big application, it's just a small one, but it still needs a time for it needs some time for downloading and installing. And once it does, then open it and wait for it to load, and then click on this one, retrieve the key. Okay, we don't need to click on this one. The key and all has been mentioned here. So I use an OEM key, and the OEM key has been mentioned here. It's the same as the installed key on the system. This will be very helpful for you. If this was helpful, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.